VEO3 is the best AI video generation model, but it also costs you $250. That is not a small amount, but at that price, you get results like this.
We'll take their gold or sink! Trying!
But in this video, I'm going to share how to get VEO3 for free. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. To show you that it actually works, here are some of the examples that I have already generated with this AI tool.
Quantum computing will shape your future.
Check out these results. Isn't it amazing? To show you that it actually works, let me show you a live example. So for example, I'm going to give it a prompt like, a leader of apes with alpha traits, leading his group and saying in anger, "We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore." Cinematic short inspired by the Planet of the Apes. It can take 3 to 5 minutes. And here is the output video.
We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore.
Amazing quality, amazing voiceover. Now, if you're thinking that I have purchased the subscription just because you can see the Pro icon, that's not the case. So, if I search for VEO3 and click this Gemini link, we will be redirected to this page. If I just go ahead to the subscriptions option, you can see we are getting Google AI Pro for free for 1 month. Initially, VEO3 wasn't included in the Pro plan, and if you just go to the details, you can see you get more access to the most capable models, like the 2.5 Pro, deep research on 2.5 Pro, and unlock the video generation with a limited trial of VEO3. Another way you can access our AI filmmaking tool, custom built with VEO3, to create cinematic scenes and stories. So, you can access VEO3 for free in 2 different ways. You can access this from the Gemini. You can also access this with the Flow that I'm going to share later in the video. If we talk about V2, you also get access to V2 inside of the Visk AI and even in the Flow AI. If you struggle to find this page, just go to this URL, gemini.google/subscription, and you will have this interface in front of you. Then, just click on Get Started and get Google AI Pro. Then hit Agree, and then add any of your debit card details. Well, don't worry, it's not going to charge you anything because this is the 1-month free trial, and you can just cancel this subscription after the usage of 1 month if you want to. Once you have done that, you will have access to VEO3. There are a couple of ways to access this. First, you can access this with the Gemini, but it doesn't allow you to upload any image. It only supports text to video. For the image to video, you can just go to the Flow AI, and here is the URL. You can also search it and then hit Create with Flow, and then you will have this interface in front of you. So, here you can see we have the text to video, frames to video, and we have the ingredients to video. But unfortunately, the ingredients option is only available to the Ultra subscribers, but we are still getting text to video and image to video. Now, let's try something with the image to video. If I click on the frames to video, now I have the option to upload the image. So, let's select this image, and in the prompt section, I'm going to type, "An ape is beating his chest in anger and challenging others." From the settings, make sure to select the VEO3. And VEO3 is going to cost you 100 credits for a single generation. But if you generate with the V2 with the fast mode, it's going to cost you 10 credits. But V2 quality mode also costs 200 credits. So, make sure to select the VEO3 and hit Generate. So, here we have 2 outputs. This is the first output. And this is the second output. Well, obviously, your video outputs depend on your prompt. In the Pro plan, you get 1,000 credits. But if you think you are running out of credits, you can just go ahead to the Gemini AI. And you can also generate some videos from there. It doesn't mention how many videos you can generate inside of the Gemini AI, but I think you can generate almost the same amount of videos. So, that's how you get VEO3 for free. Yes, there is no trick, no shortcut, but Google is officially offering you VEO3 for 1 month. So why not avail this offer? That's it from today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.